Sundance Equipment, LLC, is proud to announce its latest innovation for the small commercial grinder market, the Sundance Kid 3. Now, before we talk about the features of the Kid 3, let's look at the history of Sundance. Sundance first introduced their 901 tub grinder in 1978, designed specifically for the ag marketplace. In 1986, Sundance took another step forward with the introduction of the new 904 tub grinder with a higher capacity and easier to operate characteristics, again for the ag marketplace. In 1988, Sundance developed and introduced a small combination grinder chipper that consisted of a separate tub attachment grinding and another chipping attachment for chipping branches. In 1992, Sundance took a big step forward with the introduction of the Kid 1 and the first single machine capable of both grinding and chipping. A U.S. patent was issued covering its innovative features. The larger capacity Kid 2 was introduced in 1994 and remained in production until late 2004 when the new improved Kid 3 was developed and introduced. You've seen how the Sundance products have evolved over time, so let's now take a look at the Kid 3's improvements and what they mean to you. One of the unique features of the Kid 3 is its method of feeding material into the grinder. The patented reciprocating feeder, or ram, moves the material that is placed in the hopper to the feed roll. The feed roll then meters the material into the enclosed grinding chamber. The travel speed of the hydraulic cylinder-driven ram is variable and returns at a faster rate than it moves forward. The feed roll speed is also variable and it floats up under spring pressure to allow a maximum 8-inch opening beneath it. The heart of the grinder is the massive 1,400-pound rotor with 44 swinging hammers. Initial impact occurs on the shear bar located on the hopper floor beneath the feed roll. The hammers then carry the broken material to the two sets of stationary fingers projecting into the grinding chamber. The material and hammers pass through the fingers where additional particle reduction takes place, resulting in a finer, more uniform particle size. The material is then thrown out to discharge by the rotor and hammers. The absence of screens allows you to grind wetter or more stringy material that would tend to plug in other units that possess screens. The hammers are hard-surfaced and can be turned to use both corners, extending the life of the hammers. The clearance between the concaves and hammers is adjustable, which also regulates the penetration of the fingers between the hammers. Please note the ease of access to the hammers. The telescoping tongue allows for reduced tongue weight when towing, and yet can be close coupled for discharging into a truck. The tongue can be pushed all the way into the frame or removed for easier on-site cleanup, storage, or shipping. Gooseneck, clevis, pin eye, or 2 5/16 ball couplers are available. A turbocharged diesel engine producing 125 horsepower is direct coupled to the rotor, resulting in a high-capacity grinder weighing 9,600 pounds that is easily towable with a 3/4-ton truck. An optional electric drive with stationary frame is also available. A new centralized control panel allows you to control both engine and grinder functions from one location. Automatic features include pausing the feeding mechanism when the grinder RPM drops below a preset level and reversing the feeding mechanism when the pressure in the hydraulic system reached the preset level, indicating that a blockage is beginning to form. Reversing the feeder and feed roll will often clear the blockage. The Sundance Kid 3 easily handles palm fronds, yards of waste, limbs, leaves, clippings, C&D scrap lumber, pallets, mulch, paper and cardboard, and most wet material, including manure.
For more information on the Kid 3 from Sundance, contact your local Sundance representative or the dealer serving your territory. Thank you.